There is no log out on Roku. So I want to start with that. Make sure that you're fully aware that if you're looking for a log out button on Roku, you're not going to find it. If you are looking to switch accounts, what you need to do, unfortunately, because this is just how Roku is designed, you have to actually factory reset your device and then log into the new account. So you will lose pretty much everything. The factory reset, you would go into settings, system, advanced system settings, and then factory reset there. Type in your code, and it'll start the reset process. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to log into all my stuff again. After the factory reset, whoever has it next is going to be able to log in directly to their Roku account. They've done it that way because Roku really stresses like the ultimate convenience, and having multiple users, I guess, is inconvenient. So it's not an option. So you have one account on Roku, and that's the main account, and everything is tied to that account. So if I ever made a purchase, there's a singular card or payment method that charges on your Roku. So if you're selling device, you definitely want to reset it here, but you also want to make sure that it's removed from your account. And you're going to do that on your computer, where you log in to myroku.com, go to your account, check the devices, and then remove the device from your account. And if you're selling, again, this is going to disassociate this device from your account. And it's also going to factory reset the device to the day one setting so that it has no more of your information on it. These two paired together is going to fully prepare you to sell that device. So if you're looking for the log out, stop looking. It doesn't exist. These are the options. So I hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.